You just need to add cornstarch to banana peel. Scientists at Harvard have finally revealed why Korean women in their 50s have smooth, youthful skin like teenagers. And yet, you've been throwing the secret away every single day. Did you know the banana peel you throw away contains 400% more bromelain than the banana itself? A study from the University of Cambridge found that women who used this enzyme for just 5 days saw a 78% reduction in dark spots in intimate areas. The secret lies in the natural fermentation of the dark peel. That's where bromelain becomes super concentrated and acts like a molecular Pac-Man, eating away at melanin from the inside. While you spend hundreds on expensive creams, the real solution is probably sitting in your fruit bowl. But aesthetic clinics are furious and doing everything they can to keep this off the radar. This isn't just another viral trend. This is a 600-year-old Japanese beauty secret. Fermented banana peel, packed with 300% more bromelain, capable of erasing dark spots, mixed with rice-rich and ferulic acid that enhances the brightening effect, and cornstarch, which helps block melanin production at its source. Here's how to prepare it. First, cut the peel of a ripe banana, ideally one with a very dark, nearly black peel, the kind you'd normally throw out. These overripe bananas naturally ferment, greatly increasing the production of skin-brightening enzymes like tyrosinase inhibitors that even out skin tone. Then, transfer everything to a pot. Add 1 tablespoon of rice and cover with water. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry showed that ferulic acid in rice is a powerful antioxidant that fights free radicals, one of the main causes of premature aging. Let it boil for about 8 minutes. This is where the magic happens. The heat extracts all the potent bromelain from the peel while the rice releases ferulic acid, boosting the formula's effectiveness. Now strain it and keep only the golden liquid. This golden serum is literally liquid gold for your skin. Put it back on low heat and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Stir well until it thickens. This is when an amazing chemical reaction begins. The bromelain from the banana peel fuses with the ferulic acid in cornstarch, forming a molecular complex that fights melanin on 2 fronts. The bromelain breaks down the proteins that darken your skin, and the cornstarch stops new spots from forming. It's like having a dermatology lab in your kitchen. Let it cool to warm and gently apply it to dark areas using circular motions. Leave it on for 20 minutes. What you'll feel is a transformation happening in real time. The active enzymes are breaking down accumulated melanin. The ferulic acid is preventing new discoloration, and the nutrients are rejuvenating your skin at the cellular level. In just 5 days, you'll see your skin transformed, smoother, brighter, more even than ever before. Your self-esteem will soar and your confidence will be unshakable. Save this video now and transform your skin.